What's going on?
What was that?
It sounds like an animal. A hiccuping animal.
And it's coming our way.
I'm huffing scared.
Brave up, fellers. There's nothing to be scared of here in the land of Puff. Welcome to my Puff-tastic dinosaur project. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one out of balloons. Would you like that, baby Philip? Yay! Dino doodles! You start with a balloon like this. Then, go like this. Phooey balooey! I can't build a dinosaur with all this noisy noise around. Oh, this is irrepuffitating! I want my dino doodles! Guardsies! Go up there and make it stop! Whatever it is!
Aye, aye, Princess. But could you please untie us first?
Funny guardsies!
Sheesh, it's getting closer. Oh.
It's here! Oh, it's Cutie Puff!
Huh? It's a baby dinosaur.
Poor baby! You have a bad case of the hiccups, don't you? We have to help her.
But how?
Pepperoni! I just wanted to surprise her.
There. Stop crying, baby.
Poor little dinosaur. Let's take her to the vet. Maybe he can help her.
This baby has the hiccups and they won't go away, Mr. Vet Penguin.
Wow! Hiccups, you say? Let's see. Air pressure. Normal. Huffity puff. Here, make her blow up a balloon. That should cure her.
Huffity puff.
Is she better?
Sounds like it.
My work here is finished, children, and now I have a fish to catch.
Come on, baby dino. Let's go home. She needs to have her own house, so she can't run away.
It'll be as comfortable as a castle.
There's an idea. Let's go ask Princess Elpo about dinosaur hiccups.
Do you hear what I hear?
That's the sound, all right. What are we gonna do now?
Be brave, Gordon! Chase her away!
Me? What about you?
I'll cheer you on!
Slim, Gordon, what are you doing here?
It was...
A great big dinosaur!
Dinosaur? What did it look like?
Hiccups! It had the hiccups!
Let's check this out. Huh? Our baby? Our baby dino? How did she get so big?
She's huffity-puffity enormous!
Balloopo, do you see that? There's a big old nozzle on her back. If we open that up and let the air out, she'll get small again.
I'm coming too, Paru!
Yikes!
Paru! Let my little friend go, you big baby!
I'm okay. Whoa, Balloony Rooney! It's fun in here.
Paru! Hang in there! I'll get you out!
This is pup-tastic.
Nearly finished. All right, I've had it. I'm going to put a stop to that noisy noise myself. Come along, Philip. I said I'd make you a dinosaur, and I will. Dino Doodles!
I want to get you out, Paru! But I don't know how!
Do you think you can make her sneeze?
Sneeze, huh? Could do. I'm stretching my trunk. Paru!
Thank you, Balloopo. You're the best.
What's our baby dino doing now?
What is she looking for? Look! That's the baby!
Oh, beauty pups! Do you see that, Philip? Those are real dinosaurs! And they are actually talking with each other.
Talking?
This is how baby dinosaurs call for their mommies. What do you think, baby Philip? I can talk Dino Doodle too!